Let's see the relationship between state and governance in the context of education. What is state? A broader definition of state is collection of all bodies that are funded mainly from public sources. State is the only actor legitimized by the international community to use coercion and violence. So broadly we can say it is collection of all the bodies that are funded mainly from public sources. तो जितने भी आपकी इदारे हैं वो सारे collectively they work together and they are collectively called state representative, and that collection is called state. What is the task of modern state? The task of modern state is to guarantee the principle of exchange relationships on markets, to make people willing and able to enter such relationships and to function efficiently as producers, consumers and citizens, and to provide opportunities of well-being. So overall function, overall task of a modern state is to make people enter into such relationships and function efficiently as producers, consumers and citizens, and provide opportunities of well-being. So a modern state is not a modern state if it does not provide these opportunities. What are the modes of intervention of state? Regulation, economic measures and ideological measures. These are different modes through which a state intervenes. Let's see what is regulation. Regulation means to establish proactively and more or less in detail the frame of action for different bodies and actors. It has been used for the sake of equality and equalization. However, the use of regulation is likely to be costly. Let's talk about equality and equalization. कि आप जो स्टेट है उसकी कोशिश होती है कि वो ऐसी फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करे, चाहे वो हेल्थ सेक्टर के अंदर है, एजुकेशन सेक्टर के अंदर है, लॉ के सेक्टर में है, कहीं पे भी, जिससे इक्वालिटी हमें नज़र आ सके और हर एक इक्वली ट्रीट किया जा सके. लेकिन जो रेगुलेशन है इट इज़ वेरी कॉस्टली. जब हम कहते हैं कि इट इज़ कॉस्टली क्योंकि इसके अंदर ह्यूज बजट इन्वॉल्व्ड है, आपके पास उतने इदारे आपने कायम करने हैं, उतना ह्यूमन रिसोर्स चाहिए, तो इस हवाले से रेगुलेशन इज़ कॉस्टली. Regulation affects state legitimacy. Sometimes it affects states' legitimacy because it tends to be characterized by standardization and insensitivity to multicultural values and different lifestyles. जब हम कहते हैं कि ये इस हवाले से इट्स लेजिटिमेसी इज़ चैलेंज क्योंकि ये स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन की तरफ जाती है एंड इट इज़ इनसेंसिटिव टू मल्टी कल्चरल वैल्यूज़ एंड डिफरेंट लाइफस्टाइल्स. इसका मतलब है जब स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन है, स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन मीन कि आपने एक ही तरह का स्टैंडर्ड तय कर दिया है और उसमें अगर कोई डिफरेंट कल्चर्स हैं तो उनके लिए ये सूट नहीं करेगा. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर economic measures. State allocation of subsidies and services as well as extraction of resources. These are the economic measures through which a state intervenes. The last one through which a state intervenes, they are ideological measures. Ideology is a set of shared beliefs within a group such as a nation or social class. This body of beliefs influence the way individuals think, act and view the world. Or ideology is a system of ideas and ideals, especially one which forms the basis of economic or political theory and policy. So it is about shared beliefs. So the important aspect of ideology is shared beliefs. So how a state uses ideological measures to intervene? Within the educational domain, ideological measures include the definition and selection of knowledge to be handled in schools through the curriculum, syllabi, teacher guidelines, etc. So important is what kind of knowledge has to be learned, has to be handled in schools. तो ये स्टेट तय करती है कि क्या चीज़, कौन सा नॉलेज बच्चे लेंगे, कि क्या ठीक है क्या गलत है, कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाए जा सकते हैं, किन लोगों का आप इंट्रोडक्शन दे सकते हैं, किन की बायोग्राफीज पढ़ा सकते हैं, किन की बायोग्राफीज नहीं पढ़ाई जा सकती। तो उसके अंदर जो स्टेट का रोल है, इट इज़ बेसिकली आइडियोलॉजिकल मेजर। तो करिकुलम जो है या जो टीचिंग मेथड्स हैं वो सारे जो हैं दे आर यूज्ड एज टूल्स टू इंश्योर आइडियोलॉजिकल मेजर्स ऑफ अ स्टेट. So state has different functions, and a state carries out those functions through its economic measures, ideological measures and regulation.